Hello everyone. A lot of people are facing issues with their iPhone cameras not working properly after upgrading to iOS 17. This phone is also facing the same issue, and you can see it's currently upgraded to iOS 17. Whether it's photos or videos, the camera screen just shows a black screen. But don't worry, whether it's now or when you upgrade to iOS 18, this video will help you solve the problem. Let's get started. Alright, our first method is to force restart your phone. Press the volume up and volume down buttons, then press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo, and release. After the restart, if it works, great. If not, don't worry, keep watching the video. There's definitely a method that can pretty fix your iPhone. The second method is to reset all settings. This method will completely erase all data on your phone, so make sure to back up your data beforehand. Let's get started. Go to Settings, find General, scroll to the bottom, click on Transfer and Reset iPhone, and then click Reset. From the options, choose Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and wait for your iPhone to restart. Now check your iPhone camera. See, this method didn't work for this phone. The third method involves using software. You'll need a computer, either a Mac or Windows. You can download iMyFone Fixppo for free by clicking the link in the description below. Using Fixppo to fix your phone will not cause any data loss. Let me show you. After downloading, open Fixppo. Connect your iPhone to the computer, trust it, and select Standard Mode. The next step is putting your iPhone into recovery mode. You can follow the guide from here for all models. For iPhone 8 and above, instantly click and release the volume up key and then the volume down key. Press and hold the side button until you see this. On the next page that appears, click Download to install the latest firmware for the iOS version on your device. Once the firmware is downloaded, click on Start a Fix, and the software will automatically start fixing the issues. Now let's check the camera on your phone. Look, it's fixed magically. If the other methods aren't getting the job done, why not try out iMyFone Fixppo? Method 4. Remove camera from home screen. Long press the camera, click Remove camera from home screen, then go to the apps library and reopen the camera. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you found the video helpful, share it with your friends. See you next time.